Don't throw it away. Fix it. We got a cart that won't run. And dead again. No. All right, so we got power here. Should be power coming out here when you hear the solenoid click. And there is not. So the solenoid is working. The contacts on the inside are dirty and they are not allowing juice to flow. We're gonna jump it with a piece of wire at the same time. Come on. Once it gets going, I can actually release that. Disconnect the battery and take a picture of the wiring so you know how it goes back together. Can we repair a club car solenoid? I've seen these go bad before. I don't have a new one. Try to fix this one. I already ground down the rivets. We gotta punch them out, open it up, and clean up the contacts. I thought I'd be able to pull this whole assembly out. Not. The only way to get this apart would be to unsolder those wires, then be able to pull the whole coil out, and then hook those wires back up again. All right, let's give that a try. I got my soldering iron and a small pair of pliers, and we'll undo these wires. Success! We got one more to do. Now we can just lift out the coil. Pull out the plunger. This pushes on the contacts. I got to figure out how to get this apart. That sleeve needs to come out. I pried on that with a screwdriver and started to wiggle this thing out. Now it should just come out of here. And there's our dirty, nasty contacts. We got to clean these things up. And I scrape the contacts with a screwdriver to clean them up. And hit this with the wire wheel. Now we could put it back together. Now where's this sleeve? All right, put that back in. And my helper is here, looking for a snack. Put in the plunger, and then slide in the coil. Twist the wires back together. And I gave them a quick soldering. Instead of rivets, we use some machine screws and some nuts, and we'll hold it back together. Let's throw it in here and see if it works. Okay, let's give it a test. Let's see. Awesome. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. New box. Aren't you a lucky boy? Look at that. It's spacious.